Okay, so I wanted to show you all something really quick. So we've had a lot of cold followed by a lot of rain. Got one more day of rain possibly, but it feels so much better out here. I think it's like 60 something today. But I am picking spinach for some pasta that I'm gonna make tonight. I'm trying to show y'all. So I'm picking like a bowl of spinach for some pasta. But this is what I want to share with you all my findings. So I really am gonna have to come back out here and just really just clean up the area and get things right for my next planting. Okay, so as I was going under some of the leaves, look at there. These are slugs. I seen like another one hiding somewhere. Oh, look right here. So I'm gonna have to clean up the plants because this is like from the cold and then like unthaw. And so from that 13-degree cold and then like today I said rain, and they always look for moist places. I hope this doesn't gross y'all out, but I just remove them by hand. I do, and it's so, it's gross. But oh God, and it's slippery. Okay, maybe I should get some gloves, but I just want to show y'all that because this is why I say you really have to just kind of pay attention to your plants and everything that's going on. But by it being just really cold, really cold and really raining, I couldn't get out here, but we got some cleanup to do.